Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to create playlist on SoundCloud. First of all, you can open the SoundCloud application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the library option at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you can now tap on the second option, that is playlist. Tap on it, and after this you can now tap on create playlist, and here you can just simply first enter the playlist name, and now you can make this playlist public if you want, and if you don't want to playlist public, you can just simply disable this option. That you see, the option is already disabled, and now you can tap on create playlist, and after this you can add songs by tapping on plus, that is next to your song name, and it is a way you can create playlist on SoundCloud. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.